Good morning from Vegas. I guess it's not morning anymore. It's like 12:30 or so. We woke up to a very cloudy day. You couldn't even see the mountains. So that was kind of a bummer because my plan is to explore the strip today. Jason went to work. I've been just kind of twiddling my thumbs here at the hotel, watching a Law and Order SVU marathon and shoving my face full of our snacks because I'm bored. But it does seem like the sun is finally starting to come out. So I am going to venture out to the strip. Look at this! I made it to the strip and the sun is shining, so it's awesome. I really like that lion over there. I think his name is Leo for like the MGM lion or whatever, and I'm a Leo, so 2 Leos right here.
So nobody cares.
I'm just gonna walk around. I've already gotten hassled by 2 showgirls wanting, well, fake showgirls, wanting me to take a photo with them for money. The second one was kind of aggressive, so I just scurried away. But this is cool, and I'm so glad the sun came out. Jason told me there'd be all kinds of things that you'd see on the Las Vegas streets, but check this out. There's this huge cock just out in the open. I think I just passed through the bougie section. There was like Dolce & Gabbana, Prada, Tiffany. None of that's my style. Give me Walmart any day. I walked past a guy and he goes, "You're from Canada, right?" And I just let him think that, and I said, "Yeah, how could you tell?" And he goes, "Because you're wearing shorts." I am sweating, but it doesn't take much for me. I went into the Cosmopolitan and I used the bathroom there, and there's this really, fancy bougie hotel, big old chandeliers and stuff, and I'm in the bathroom wiping my back sweat off. I know how to keep it classy. Speaking of fancy hotels, there's the Bellagio. I think the fountains are off though, because I think they're prepping something for the Super Bowl. I think they're building a ramp or something, so I don't think the fountains are going to be running, so that's a little bit of a bummer. It's still a really cool hotel to look at. Bear down. I'm surprised to see so many advertisements for David Copperfield still, because I thought he was canceled because didn't he end up on the naughty list? Martha Stewart. I love her. I couldn't see the Bellagio fountains, but Caesar's Palace has got my back. Don't they kind of look like the one in Married with Children at the beginning? I'm in the Flamingo Hotel and Casino. This is where Bugsy Siegel, I believe, was killed. Yeah, no, Bugsy was killed in Beverly Hills, but he did own the Flamingo Hotel and Casino. They also have a flamingo habitat here. This is what I feel like after picking out on snacks all morning at the hotel. There's that high roller Ferris wheel thing, and I've heard a lot of people say it's not worth it to go on there. What deters me from going on there is there's no bathroom. It takes half an hour or an hour to go around it, and I have a bladder condition and IBS, so stuck in a place with no bathroom, no thank you. There they are. Blended right in. They are so tiny, aren't they?
They do. I saw one hanging out over there earlier and I thought, well, maybe it'll be back. And it is.
That's awesome. I'm not a big pink person, but it's kind of cool how all the windows are shaded as pink. I went into the Venetian to use the bathroom, and apparently there are more gondolas and water mazes inside, and I did not see them, so I only saw the gondolas that were outside, so that's a little bit of a bummer. But while I was inside, I did see these really cute little stuffed doggies. I headed back down to the Bellagio because I forgot to check out the conservatory, and it was kind of cool on my walk back because the lights started to come on, and I just really love how the flamingo looks, so I'm gonna show that again. Check out this cute doggy. This couple was so cute because they were taking pictures of just their dog in front of things, and I just thought that was adorable. Can I pet? Hi, sweetie. Hi, sweetie. Hi, baby. Hi. Walking around for I think 4.5 hours. hours at this point. I think I've seen all of the strip that I want to see. So I'm gonna get a lift and go home. My feet are tired, but this was so cool. I'm gonna admit it is not easy to be picked up in a lift on the strip because it's not like I could just call a lift to pick me up at the Bellagio and they just pull up to the front in any location. There are designated rideshare areas, and it was really hard for me to get the pin on my Lyft app to match up with where I was because some of them are underground too. I am very embarrassed to admit it took me like 45 minutes to figure out how to get picked up by a Lyft driver, but I made it back to the hotel. And I did want to mention it just in case you go. Keep that in mind that it's not easy to get picked up by a Lyft or an Uber on the strip. Or maybe it is easy for other people and I just have difficulties. Good morning. It's a beautiful day in Vegas. The sun is out. It was gorgeous this morning to wake up and see the mountains. We are on our way to breakfast and then we're gonna go see the Hoover Dam. This is probably the thing I was looking the most forward to, so I'm really excited to see it. We ate breakfast at this Black Bear diner, which was so cute because obviously everything was bear themed. Oh my gosh, the view!
I really hope the dam's open today. I didn't check. That would be a damn shame.
So far down. Oh. This is a grave of a dog. I didn't explain this very well at all. In the 1930s, when the dam was being built, a black dog befriended the workers and would just hang out with them, and they all fell in love with the dog. But then he was tragically run over, and they loved the dog so much they buried him on the dam, and this is his grave. Apparently they named the dog N.I.G. and so they did have a plaque here named after that. I think they called him that because he was a black dog. Obviously in the 1930s that was more acceptable, so they changed the plaque so it doesn't say that anymore. But that is the grave of the dog. We just checked out the Dam gift shop. I got a magnet of the dog who must not be named. Jason knew of this park in Boulder City where a bunch of sheep hang out, so we stopped there and that was so cool because we could walk right up to them and they didn't care about us. We then headed back to Las Vegas. We had to make a stop at the famous Las Vegas sign. And then we ended the day with a Dole Whip. I'd never had a Dole Whip before and this was delicious. This was our last morning in Vegas. We ate breakfast at Vicky's Diner, which was a cute little place in the commercial center. It had really neat decor and really good customer service. We then headed to the airport, and in the airport we had a good last view of the Las Vegas Strip. And then in the plane saw our last views of the mountains. excited to see my boy.